This is how the front wing behaves when the tilt adjustment screw is not screwed in. Our first step will be to unscrew the two screws holding the nose. Now remove the nose. Here screw in an M3 screw that will be used for adjustment, max 20 mm. Don't screw it in fully, because in a moment we will check the fitting of the nose. At this point, we can see that the screw is too far out, so we can't fully bring the nose to the mount. Now, the screw is minimally too short. A little unscrewing should give us the expected result. This is how it should look and behave, a well-adjusted nose. We can now screw in the M3 by 16 mm screws securing the nose to the front body. Done. In this step, we will adjust the screwing force of the rocker. This is how the rocker behaves when is over-tightened. Now the rocker is too loose, which is evident in the looseness at the bearing. At this point, the rocker moves smoothly, as it should, at the same time having no looseness at the bearing. This is how correct shock absorber compression should look like.